All right, welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Mending fences. That's one of the short-term goals of 2011 World 100-meter champion Yohan Blake, even as he joins thousands of athletes worldwide whose programs have been brought to a halt due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Karen Madden caught up with a 30-year-old sprinter at his St. Andrew home.
Just before the coronavirus pandemic brought world sports to a near standstill, controversy embroiled Yohan Blake as his much reported split with world-renowned coach Glenn Mills was followed by harsh reactions to an interview he did in Asia, where he was quoted as saying double sprint world record holder Usain Bolt had overshadowed his career. Blake remains at the UWI-based Racers Track Club, but is now being conditioned by Gregory Little. The reigning national 100-meter champion was not the only athlete to leave Mills, but with those athletes going public with their grouses, Mills' most celebrated athlete Usain Bolt launched a stinging tirade against his former training partners. Several months later, the relationship between Blake and Mills remains icy.
To be honest, right now we don't speak, but that's going to solve soon because Coach Mills is a really good person. You know, he's a great coach.
The former St. Jamaica High School star was asked if things could have been handled differently.
I don't live life through regrets, but I know it could have handled better. You know, so my time, you have to move on. You know, and just sometimes it's just in the manner of how we move on. You know, but I'm happy where I'm at. Gregory Little is doing an amazing job.
Meanwhile, much was made of Blake's comments that his career was overshadowed by his former training partner, with Bolt himself taking to social media to make tongue-in-cheek references to the comments. Blake insists he was misinterpreted.
I know me and Bolt has been coming a very far way, and we're very good friends up to that point. But if you're running 9.69 and somebody's running 9.58, obviously we're going to look at the 9.58. You know, I would never try anything to disrespect Usain, because coming up in the track and field, he motivated me.
The two are no longer in touch. Well, for now.
We haven't spoken. You know, now it's a difficult time, and I hope one day, you know, we can all have a drink and talk about this and look at it as a silly way, you know. But for now, no.
In our next report, Blake talks about the Olympic Games, retirement, and coping with COVID-19. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.